Hi, this is a new series of Dividend portfolio aiming $250K.
Hi, let's go through the last week's portfolio update. So currently portfolio is worth 1675.95. The entire it is 8.87 percentage profit. Last week 0.17 percentage. Let's go to the activity. Last week there was a deposit of $25 on Wednesday and $11 deposit, the regular $11 deposit, and both combined on Thursday. Like everything was deposited to JEPI. We have a quantity and the share price we bought is 54.57. So that is the only activity. Let's go to individual slice. So there was no change in the Costco membership. Car wash is the one. So currently it is 5.82%, 5.82 earned dividend per month. Last week it was on a negative side. So JP went down. Currently, if you see the average share price is 54.59 and currently it's slightly above 54.61. Let's go to the Excel. Monthly dividend, it increased to 14.21 right now. Annual dividend currently it's 170.28. The change happened on JP. So we now have 17.79 shares of JP, and the yield on cost it got reduced to 9.52. Basically last month JP dividend was less. So the entire yield on cost is still on the higher side, 10.75. Currently, portfolio cost is 1584. Let's go to the financial independence date calculation. So current monthly dividend is 14.21. Let's calculate the financial independence day. The current today's total dividend target is for the financial independence is 5208. So with the current calculation, the financial independent date is 2318 August 11. Financial independent age would be 333. At that age, I'd be receiving per month 36 million as dividend. There was no milestones achieved this week. Let's go through the milestones achieved so far.